Okay, here we go. All right, just continuing on. New week, Monday, so let's have a look what's going on this week. I'm in two trades. Got out in profit at the, the AUD-CAD. We'll have a look at that. Got out a profit in that one. It's pretty good profit, actually. What else am I in? USD-JPY. Okay, that's in profit. Well, okay, we'll call it break even. It's just a little bit in profit. But I think that's going to go into pretty good profit. We'll have a look at that and I'll tell you why. And what's the other one I'm in? CHF something. That's not going really well. That's in pretty big drawdown actually. So let's have a look. So let's kick off with our winner. This is the one we had a win. Okay, as you can see, I got into this. This was last week. I got out of this one. Okay, I got into a hedge here. All right. Let me open up the toolbar. Where's my toolbar? And let's do this one too. Yeah. And time frames. There we go. Okay, so I got in down here. All right. Oh, where did I get in? Can't remember. Somewhere over here. I don't know. This is a while ago now. Anyway, so I got in. I put a little hedge here, I think, and we took profit from that one. Okay, got a profit out of that one. Got a profit out of that buy. All right, put a sell in here. This sell, a little bit of drawdown. Okay, but these two more than enough to make up for it. Okay. So what I've done, sure this one doesn't go all the way over here somewhere. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So what I got in, say I put a sell. What I do, I hedge and I DCA. Okay. So what I've done, say let's go. I put a sell in, all right. But this buy, I don't know what's going on here. I must have put a buy in, eh? And then it was going. No, I wouldn't do that. Okay, I don't know. It was like a week, like last week. I've forgotten. I've been involved in this other one. But anyway, what I've done here. Okay, so this went up to here. And back here. There's some support and resistance, and that back here. Okay. So I put another sell in. What are we on there? Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I put another sell order in. But then it went up against me. So I put another buy. Okay, another hedge. That paid off. Okay, then we got up to here and I put another sell. So I took the profit from these two hedges, these two buys, and put another sell. And then she went up against me again. And then she come down. I took profit here. So I got profit from this buy, this sell, and this sell. Okay, so that's 5 different orders I put in. Okay, and I was wrong out of 3 out of 5 of my trades. I was wrong, but still profited from 4 of those trades. Okay, so that's how I do it. Because every time I place a trade, it just goes against me, man. It's fucking unbelievable how I can pick where it's going to bounce back. But I always like put a sell in, all right? It says, oh, it's come down, put a sell and just boing, straight off it. As soon as I put the order, it just bounces straight off. The next candle's like a giant green one. It's unbelievable, man. I've such a good knack for picking the wrong spots. So anyway, I've evolved, I've worked out how to profit from drawdown. Okay, if that makes sense. Bigger the drawdown, the bigger the profit. Okay, so that's pretty good profit anyway, because I got this win on this buy, win on this buy, win on this sell, win on this sell, a little loss on this sell, call it break even. Okay, USD-JPY. Okay, this one's in profit. Yeah, it's called a break even. Okay, it's at break even right now. Okay, it's at break even. As you can see, okay, where did I get in? Got in down here. See, this is what I mean. Put a sell in, just boom, bounce straight back up. So I thought it was coming down. Look, lower, lower low, lower high, lower low. Made a lower high, and I thought, oh, beauty, it's going to make another lower low. And no, as soon as I put the trade, it just fucking bounced off straight up there. But anyway, no problem. I've only got another sell order in here. Okay, this is a pretty big one, actually. This sell order's 3 times the lot size of this one. I know, that's my new thing now. What I do is when I let it go up, and then when I think it's going to reverse back down, I'll smash a big order. Put a big order in it. Okay, and what I've done here as well is I've moved the stop loss to break even. All right, so it's a non-lose. I can't lose on that one. All right, because if it comes back up, it'll just stop out at break even. Okay, and then if it keeps going up, it won't be in drawdown. All right, it won't be in drawdown. So this is going to work out all right. I think this is going to go a lot. I don't think this is going to go down further. I think this is looking to go down to all the way down here. I think this is going to come down to here somewhere. As you look over here, there's some really good support resistance right there. I think it's going to come down to here. I think. But anyway, what I'll do, okay, if it comes down to, even if it just comes down to this, even if it just comes down to this one, all right, let's go the 1 hour to make it a bit bigger, a bit more look at. Okay, even if it just comes back down to this, my first order, what I'll probably do is just move this stop loss down to here. Oh, if it falls through, if it goes through, okay. And it looks like it's going to keep going down. What I'll do, I'll move this stop loss down to here, then put the stop loss for this one at break even. And then I'll just let it go and see how far it can go. Because even if it goes down, then bounces back up. Okay, say she goes down a little bit, I move all the stop losses down to this order. Even if she bounces back up, okay, and it comes back up and hits it, doesn't matter. I've made good profit from this one. This one will be a good profit. Okay, and this one will be a break even. So happy days. Profit. It'll be pretty good profit too. So that's my plan for that one. And as usual, if it bounces off and just starts going, bounces off and starts going back up, well, what I'll do, find support resistance zones, put another sell order, goes through that, find another support resistance zone, put another sell order, probably get in a little hedge too, maybe put a little buy order up to there. If it goes through that, probably put another little buy order up to there, just to take a bit of profit along the way. So it's not in so much drawdown, just still chipping. It's still going to be a drawdown, yeah, but just so it's not so extreme, if that makes sense. Just so I can like take a little bit, get a little bit back. Anyway, so that's my plan for that one. And the EUR-CHF, okay, this one's a bit of a problem. Oh, all right. Well, it's starting to come back down. I just put this one in just before, about half an hour ago. Okay, it was bouncing around there. It was trying to get up, and it wouldn't get up. And there's some good resistance here. So I said, oh, look, there's a giant gap all the way down to this next order. And I said, I'm going to put another sell order in there. So I put another sell order. And then she comes down to here, still going to be in drawdown. But this one here, these are like, this is a big one. Okay, if we can break this support resistance here, or this support, if we can break this support, bit of resistance here, I think I might go I'll go a big lot size sell order. I'll go a big lot size sell order. Because we've got to get all the way down to here. Look at it, still got more. Yeah, look at this one. This is the one that caused me all the problem. This one. That's a long way, isn't it? So if we can get there, got one here, have a big double lot size there, get another one there. So if we can just get down to here somewhere, it'll probably be break even. Because look, it was coming down all the way. Look at that. Big, boom, 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 come down, bounce down. I thought bounce down, come up again, lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low. Thought, yeah, I got in, and then skipped on down. I was like, yay, beauty, and then she bounced straight back off. But I think it's going to come back down. I'm pretty sure. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how I intend to get out of these. And you know what I'm going to do. If it goes up again, I'll just put another support resistance, put another sell order. Okay, that's how I do it. And maybe go a little hedge. Looks like got some room there. So I might put a buy order as well, get a hedge in just to, you know, get a little bit back, Okay, just keep chipping away. All right. It's a pretty good system. It's been working for me for the past 12 months. Okay, I've been pretty much profitable or break even. Okay. I haven't really had a loss because my balance is my loss. Okay. If I have a loss trading like this, my balance, I get wiped out. That is my loss. Okay. So it's pretty risky. And yeah, you just got to keep playing along with it. Yeah, DCA and hedge. That's the way forward for me anyway. But it's good for you to find your own system and, you know, figure it out what works for you and what doesn't work for you. Okay. And then it's pretty much just rinse and repeat. Just stick to that and just keep doing what you're doing. Okay. All right. So I'll let you know in a day or two if I've made any profit. Hopefully I'll get out of that JPY, USD, if